Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 88 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with React.js. In this video, we will mainly work on the home page and we will do some cosmetics tasks. So let's define that what we are going to do. So the first thing is we will ensure that the box should be same, right? Box size should be same for the product and for the vendor and also for the categories. I mean all of the boxes should be look as in a symmetry order, right? And the second one is we will set the default image for the product for the vendor and default image, and then we will also work on the add to cart and wish list functionality for the home page showing product, right? So this will be a quick add to cart and wish list, right? And it will show on, it will enable only if the user is logged in, otherwise it will be disabled, but it will show, right? So let's do this. Let's do the these four tasks and then we will come to the add to cart. Okay, so let's define. Okay, so for making the same size, what we will do, let's open our component and open our home. In home we are loading the single product, right? And for the single product, I'm doing the inline we are doing the internal styling. So here we have a image style and we are giving the width 100%, height is 15, viewport width, whatever the viewport is, it will take the 15% of the viewport. And then object fit will be contain means it will fit in the div, right? And we have defined this image style on the image, right? So it is already looking like this, right? So where we have a product, these are the products, right? Let's define 10 so we can see the changes, right? So here you can see this is 10. I think 10 is nice, right? And we also need to do in the vendor. So we have a single vendor also, seller, single seller, and we will define 10, right? So here you can see, right? So this will make the same size of all the products. So we have defined the products. We also need to do on the popular categories. So let's see we have defined or not, or we do we have any single for the categories or not. Let's see home and let's say popular categories. Here we have a popular categories, right? But we have not defined this, so let's copy this styling, right, and paste here in this home, right? And let's say image style equal to this. Let's copy from here, right here, right? So now this will all looking same, right? This is also 10. What we have in the latest product, let's see. Okay, single product, this is single product, single seller, this is testimonial. Okay, now this is default image showing here, default image showing we have already set. Let's see logo. Okay, so we are showing here the default image. If I remove this, then here you can see this is not showing the image. So if we didn't uploaded any image for the product, then it will show the default logo. This is default React logo, right? So we have implemented the box same size, default image, vendor box same size, default image for vendor. I am applying the same image for the default vendor. Here you can see logo, right? Single product, single seller. Where is single seller? Let's define the single seller logo here. Let's define here. So profile image. If not, then we will show the image, this one. We are updating the image. Let's import the image here, right? What it is saying, single, okay, we need to go one more step back, right? So here we have a seller image, because we have both image, both seller has an image, so it is showing the images, right? So first four tasks are very easy, so we have done. Now let's define the add to cart and wish list functionality. Before that, we also need to check only if logged in, right? Only if logged in user. Okay, so let's check. Now let's define the wish list. Our main task of this video is add to cart and wish list functionality from home page, right? So let's do that. Okay, so for add to cart and wish list, we will take our help from the product detail page. So product detail page is the same as our single product, right? So we will take fully reference from here. So for what we will do, first of all, when it will use effect, then we will see what we need to do. So we need to do, this is already coming because we are already in the single product. Fetch related data, no need. Check product in cart, we do need. Check product in wish list, we do need this also. So what we need to do, product ID. So product ID should be, thanks to the React component system, right? So this is our child system, child component dot ID. So this is our product ID, and whenever we load this, it will check the wish list and check the product in cart, right? Use effect. Okay, so let's define use effect, right? We are not using user state. Okay, let's keep it. All right, and base URL, we also need base URL. So base URL is, where is base URL? This is the base URL, right? Okay, product ID is not defined. Product, okay, defined. Check. Okay, use state. All right, so mm, where is that? Okay, we need this function, check product in cart, check product list. Sorry for this pop-up. Okay, check product in cart. And what else we need to require for this? We need that set button click status true or false, right? So set button status, default it will false, right? So here we have use state, and we are fetching all the product from the local storage, right? So local storage from the cart, and we are using the previous cart, and already then we are set button marking false, set button click status true if not in the cart, right? Or we are doing opposite. Let's see. Sorry, set click button status here, here, here. So remove from the cart, cart plus warning. Okay, let's try to what we have in a single product. Let's see, add to cart button, right? So let's see this. We will define this two thing, or we will check these two things here, right? But we don't need the text, so we'll remove the text. But here we have a defined the color bg warning, bg primary, not primary, let's say success, right? check product in wish list is not defined. Okay, check product in wish list is not defined. Let's comment this. Cart add button handler is not defined. Yes, you are correct. So we need to define this cart button handler. So let's check where is that. Here. All right. So this is a big function. We have already defined everything. We have created a video on this. You can check that, but we will go through it, right? So constant function and card data here we have, and card string, set card data. We also need this set card data, right? So let's go to card data, and we also need the context, card context, right? So let's go to here, card context. We also need this card context. So let's go to, let's copy all of this. I think we need this all, right? Product data is not defined. Cart remove handler is not defined. Okay, product data is not defined. So where is product data? Here. Okay, so where we are using the product data, we don't need this. We actually need the props, right? So where is product data? We can use the props, or we can just constant product data equal to this one, right? Cart remove handler is not defined. Yes, we have not defined the cart remove handler. Let's define this. Let's define this cart remove handler. We have defined that. Set cart data. Everything is okay, right? So we have product, and it should be small. So we need to do one more thing, button sm. We don't need this, I think. Button sm, oh sorry. All right, so here we are. Okay, now so if I click here, it will add in the cart, right? So let's click. Okay, added in the cart. Here we are, right? And if I remove this again, remove it from the cart, right? So it's working. It's working. This is smooth. We have already spent so much time on this. So you can check this function or check this video, add to cart, how this add to cart is working. If we see, then we can see here cart, add to here add to cart, this one, right? So this is video number 43. So you can check this. Okay, right? So if we go to video number 43, right? So this color blue and yellow means we are working with the backend system, and if this is only this color, then it means this is only for the front end design, right? So you can check the 43 number and 44, right? So or maybe you can include 42. So 42 to 44 is about the card and the context. So you can check that, and so you will understand everything, right? So I am just copying the card functionality from the card detail to here, right? And this is smooth because we have a product detail, we have a reference of the product, and this is single product component. So this is also a single product, so it is smooth, right? Now we will work on the wish list, right? So let's do for the wish list. First of all, card button handler fetch related, no need for related data. Save in wish list, right? So let's copy this. Okay, define here, and where we are using this save in wish list here, right? So we can copy this one, and here we are defining that if user context. So from the user context, we are checking that if user is logged in or product is in wish list or not, right? So on click save in wish list, otherwise we are showing the disable button, right? And from the profile, from the user panel, user can delete the wish list, right? So Axios is not defined, set product in wish list. Okay, no problem, we will define that. So let's copy this one, and where is the wish list? Here, right? So defined here. What is the issue? Okay, we didn't copy. We have three things here. Let's check what about all these three things. Let's, okay, 1 minute, this one. Okay, so user context we have already defined, I think. Yes, this is defined. Login product in wish list, we didn't define that. Let's see where it is. Check product in wish list, this is also a function. Let's copy this one and paste here. Save in wish list here. Okay, then we have customer ID, everything is okay. Product wish list, we need this wish list, yeah, this one. Okay, let's paste here. What else we need? Axios. Okay, we need Axios. Let's define the Axios. All right. User contexts, we don't have user context. Use context, we need user context. Oh, sorry. So we have user context now. What else we need? Single product. Oh, what is that? This is user context, and this is user context. This is user context. Oh, okay, we need this one. We need user context as a variable, constant. All right, wish list. So we need this. We don't need this. Remove. And also margin bottom, margin start 1, and button sn, right? So let's copy this one and paste here, paste here. Why this is margin bottom? Maybe we have copied from the product details so that it is showing margin bottom here. All right, so all these product are in wish list. Not sure. Okay, so what we are doing here, if user is logged in and not in product list, then it is showing the hard button and not disabled. If login equal to null, then it will show the hard button, or it will if it is in product list. Let's see. Oh my god, user is not logged in, so that it is showing. Okay, all right. So let's go to let's log in. Let's define admin and admin. So we have customer. So let's define this customer. Login customer. Not sure what is the ID, password. Great. So wish list, nothing. And if I go here, so if I click here, wish list is showing, but this button is, it should be disabled, but it is not. Why not? Again the same, this button should be disabled, right? Okay, so check product in wish list. I think it will go in the use effect function, correct? Yes, correct. Great, right? So now this is working. Okay, so now wherever the product is, it will work from the home page, right? So we have completed all our tasks. Okay, and these are done. And let's see in the category. Okay, category is not linked. Let's go to view all. Django, this is working also here, right? Because this is also coming from the product list, right? So in the next video, we will work on the category page and we will see here, fetch here the product downloads. Actually, let's do now, right? So Python, because we are already doing in our popular categories product downloads. Let's do now for the view all categories. Let's go to home and popular categories, product download category, total downloads, right? So we are already fetching this, so let's go to category products, not category products, categories, right? So product downloads, let's paste here. No, only this one. What is the name? Okay, categories. Okay, this is fine, right? So this is working. Great. So almost we have done everything on the home page. If anything is pending, then you can you know, you can tell me that if anything is pending, then we will work on that. And in the next video we will work on the home page, sorry, product detail page. Here we will show the vendor with the link. So when we click on that, it will show the vendor page, and we will also modify our related product, because this is I want to show here 3 products at a time, but it is showing only one at a time and creating this slider. We will see that why this is happening. And this image is also not coming. We will also see that, right? So in the next video, we will work on the product detail page, and then we will apply the Razor Pay payment gateway for our, Indian payment, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. And if you need the source code of this project, right, then you need to go code Artisan lab and multi-vendor e-commerce website, and here I have defined the steps. So this is very big support for me, so please support me and just give me your email ID or git username. I will give you the access of the source code, and at this point you will get further future updates of this project. And the price of this, current price of this project is this, and in this price you will get full source code until the end, and it will update according to the progress, right? Thank you so much, and please stay tuned with the code Artisan lab. I know you are tuned, but I am not, but I will try to do, because new year is you know so. And also happy new year to all. uh, and I will try to upload more videos. And I have created also front creating the front end part of the hotel management system. I'm going to show you that just I'm going to show you just a look, so you will understand that, just for the curiosity. So here, So this is our hotel management system, right? I just want to give you the surprise, but now I'm sharing. So our hotel management system, we can show the book, events, rooms, services, right? So I'm creating this, and I will try to upload as I will try to start as soon as possible. So we will work on this project, right? So thank you so much watching this video. Please share, subscribe, like this channel, like this video, support me. Thank you.